Do you know what's funny that I find just hilarious is people look at me now and they don't want to mess with me. They don't want to push me around. Hi, I'm Jeff, and you're probably wondering why I look the way I do. Because my brother was being pushed around, him and I didn't like that. I had a feeling, and this feeling was joy, because I hurt people. It felt amazing. and it wouldn't leave me alone. It happens a couple times, and my brother went to juvie for what I did to those bullies. That was not good. That was not good. And I got bullied again, and there was bleach, and there was pain, and blood, and fire, and waiting. I waited. I waited.